Okay, so yeah, here's a raid. We have to avoid Jamie got me. I'll be kill this spider before I can beat him. Yes. Yeah, my stuff cleared as I tried to do it and then I died, so the 40 failed. So yeah, let's let me know. Yes, TNT. And hit him. And I was painful part of doing this. So yeah. Uh, see. There seems to be nothing here. Oh no, I want some newbie boots. Oh no, newbie hammer. So yeah, that's amazing stuff. Apart from this raid, I don't know when I upload this. If there's something better doesn't come, I don't think I will. Maybe I will because we got force armor. Oh yeah, force armor. Look at that. Force armor. Oh my. 18. Um, so yeah guys, I think that's about it. So see you next time and hope you enjoyed.